I like to arrange my color palettes from light to dark. Cadmium yellow is much warmer than the lemon yellow. Yellow ochre, cadmium red, alizarin crimson. This is burnt sienna, some burnt umber, pleasant blue, I'm gonna have a little bit of sap green. Some of the pinks has more oils in it. Some of the pinks more dry. Like this yellow ochre has much less oil. And you can see the burnt sienna, the burnt umber, and also a little bit thicker color. I have this refined linseed oil, and there's some gamsol. And also I have a little more gamsol over here for me to clean up my brush. I'm gonna have a little gamsol and mix a little bit burnt umber. The person I'm painting is a piano teacher. Let's go and see how I'm going to take care of the composition. Squint your eye if you can. I decided going to include both her hands. So I don't want to have this hands a little bit too low. So probably the hand will be over here. Want to define the key location of the important elements. And I would know the proportion. And this hand, it will be here. And I also want to include enough suggestions for the piano. Making sure the composition is the best you can, and also the proportion is the best possible. I'm going to move the whole portrait a little bit more to the left, so I have a little bit more space for the keyboard of the piano. You don't have to make it very thick at this step. As soon as enough for you to create a mark. If I decide the hand being here, now I can see the other hand would be here, based on their alignment and the angle between these two different parts. So this is the hand. Now it's more important where I'm going to put the face. So you have to put it down on the paper in order to make changes. So this is the arm coming over here, and this is the area for the neck. Now looking at where's the head. the face. We're not coming into the proportion yet. We first figured out the placement, because the proportion is a technical part. It's after how you feel about a composition. So feeling always comes first in a painting process, not the technical. I'm going to set some color onto her clothing. I'm going to mix the skin tone to start setting the middle tone to the face with a little bit yellow ochre, some red color, I'm going to get a little white color. This is pretty close to the middle tone. Working back into the hands. This color a little bit too bright, so I need to mix with the brown color. It already has the 3 primary colors. Like the background elements. For example, this print of Chopin. We don't want to make too much of value contrast. That means between the light color and the dark color, the difference should not be that much. And this corner of the eye need to move in a little bit. When we talk about portrait paintings, we always talk about likeness as well as the personality. If you know someone well enough, you understand that person's personality, how you feel about that person. So when you're doing the portrait paintings, you just keep connecting with the person that you know. It already show through in your painting. And you're finding the evidence by looking at the shapes. Okay, now the face look better. And over here, probably a little bit too dark. So their likeness and their personality, they are connected. They are not separated into 2 different things, because the likeness is connect with their personality that you understand and try to capture their personality and use their likeness. One hand, you try to pick up the color from the reference. And the other hand, you try to see how this color gonna affect rest of the painting, making sure that color is cohesive, work well with the rest of the painting. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and turn on notification by check the bell. And the next video come out, you will receive the notification. If you want to have the interactive learning experience, getting my feedback and as well other members' feedbacks, you should join our Enjoying Our Learning community on Patreon. And just use the link over here and also have the link in the video description. See you in my next video.